Hello everyone and welcome. This is Bala Nadar, founder, CEO and technical director of Thynk Cloud. I'm here to speak directly to organizations planning to modernize, migrate or optimize their cloud environments. Whether you're transitioning from on-premises, moving away from costly VMware licensing, or planning a large-scale modernization effort, AWS and Microsoft Azure have official programs, credits, and funding assistance that can significantly reduce your migration cost. And at Thynk Cloud, we help you unlock these benefits end-to-end. As an esteemed AWS and Azure Cloud Partner, Thynk Cloud works closely with enterprises to simplify migration planning, optimize licensing, and accelerate their cloud adoption journey. We ensure every eligible benefit is captured correctly and every step is executed with precision. AWS OLA, the Optimization and Licensing Assessment, is especially important for organizations running Windows, SQL Server, and VMware. OLA helps uncover licensing optimization opportunities, eliminate unnecessary costs, and right-size your architecture before migrating to AWS. For many VMware customers searching for a scalable, cost-efficient exit strategy, OLA, that is the Optimization and Licensing Assessment, is the ideal starting point. AWS MAP, the Migration Acceleration Program, provides credits, migration funding assistance, and a structured three-phase framework: assess, mobilize, and migrate, designed to reduce risk and deliver predictable modernization outcomes. With Thynk Cloud managing the entire MAP lifecycle, with MAP funding and credits, organizations can offset a significant portion of migration costs, in some cases reducing them substantially depending on eligibility. On the Microsoft side, the Azure Accelerate program, previously known as AMMP, provides assessments, partner-guided support, and funding assistance to fast-track migration for Windows, SQL, Linux, and VMware workloads. Thynk Cloud handles the complete Accelerate workflow, from eligibility checks and documentation to architecture planning and full migration execution. With rising VMware licensing costs following recent industry changes, many CXOs are actively seeking a reliable VMware exit strategy. AWS MAP, AWS OLA, and Azure Accelerate provide structured, financially supported pathways for migrating VMware workloads with high stability and significantly lower cost. Thynk Cloud specializes in these VMware to cloud transitions with predictable timelines and clear financial advantages. These AWS and Azure programs are powerful, but navigating them requires an expert partner. Thynk Cloud ensures you receive the right eligibility, unlock the maximum available benefits, implement the best fit cloud architecture, and operate your environment with our AI-driven managed services. If you are planning a cloud migration, modernizing your infrastructure, reducing VMware licensing costs, or simply looking to optimize your cloud spending, Thynk Cloud can help you secure AWS and Azure program benefits and deliver an end-to-end, fully managed migration experience. Thank you for watching. We look forward to partnering with your organization on a smarter, faster, and more cost-efficient cloud transformation journey. If you're new to this channel, I'd really encourage you to share this video with your cloud, IT, or transformation teams. It might help them make more informed decisions. And do subscribe, because in the coming weeks, we'll be releasing a series of practical, enterprise-focused videos, including Thynk Cloud's managed services breakdown, how an AI-powered MSP actually works behind the scenes, Gen AI and Agentic AI use cases for AWS and Azure customers, and real strategies that can help enterprises improve stability, performance, and cloud cost. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.